Hi to all, my name is SST Darky, and in today's video we have special mission. We need to install this. So stay tuned. So this is my heat pump. It's quite heavy, so I need to figure out some stands for it, and this works on our 290. So this is high temperature heat pump, and I need it for my house because I am on the radiators. So this is my current setup. This is wooden stove and a puffer, 800 liters, and as you can see it's working everything, and the mission is to put here two valves so I can remove this wooden stove and just heat with a heat pump, and the pipes will go like here, up here, here, and we're gonna go through this wall. The solar plant is already here and the heat pump is the next step, so let's go and go to work. So this is all copper, and that's it. Let's go. And by meaning let's go, I need to put everything this there, so it's gonna be a nice big job to do. So it's almost 9 o'clock and I'm exhausted. So the things that I do, I put this little expansion so for the heat pump, and I put this valve, these two valves, and I put that and I connect all of it, and now it's time to do a pressure test. So I'm gonna close all the valves, and now I'm gonna put water and I'm gonna see. So I'm opening the water. Don't have any pressure, and now we have or we don't have, we have some water. It is at 0. I'm gonna put some more water, and now we hope that we're gonna see here the pressure go up. Yeah, it's going up. Okay. And we have leak. Not that I can see, but so the pressure is going up. Okay, that's enough. I'm at 1.6. Okay, I will leave it like that. I'll see if we have some leakage. Here I have leakage. I need to press this. Okay, but that's not important. Important are the joints from the copper, and it looks like it's gonna be okay. So that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll continue. So I put thermostat, and this is preview how the pipe will go, and as you can see we didn't lose any pressure, so the system for this is good. So this is just to show you how I connect this, weld this. So the second phase is done, so I poured the air vents up there and here to measure the temperature and the pressure, and now the pipes are connected and they're still here. So now I have to put a heat pump on the place to know where the holes would be, and that's it for today. So this is homemade stand for the heat pump. Now I put the coating on, and now it's time to go with the black paint. And we're gonna do with this, so this is black color, and we're gonna put it like that. Not too much, we're gonna do 2 hands, so the second hand will be perfect. So I made stand for the heat pump, and first problem is the legs of heat pumps are like this, and in the middle they are shallow. You see? They are shallow. And now I have to put here 2 legs. I need to cut this and put here 2 legs, and I need to put here 2 legs, and let's go. So I'm almost finished with the stand, and one more to go. So I'm using Parkside and this baby, and it works nicely. So the heat pump is in the place. The holders are very nice, as you can see. They are now perfect. Holes are there. Now I need to connect the pipes and power supply. That's it. So let's go. And the holes are perfect. So that's very nice. Woo. So now I have to connect this to this. That's it. So I've connected the heat pump, and now it's perfect, and I'm doing a pressure test. Here a little more of 2 bars, and now it's 15 till 3. So let's test it. So this is the outer unit, so you need 3 cables. One is for communication with the indoor unit, and you need one power for the heat, for the electric heater. In my case is 3 kilowatts, and you need 1 cable for turning on the unit, so you need 2 cables. And now I have to connect all this, and before that you must take out this transport support. So you unscrew these 6 bolts. I already took 3, and then you put this plate, and this you took out, and put this plate on, so you cover this section. So here Here you have, here you can release air if you have in the system. And then you leave it like this so the air can go out. So you can take this plate out. You have 6 screws and then you take out these plates. So that's it. Take it like this one and this one. So I'm almost finished. I have to put this plate on and put isolation on that. So to connect the room thermostat, you need to connect these 5 wires and you need to connect it like this. I will show you the indoor unit. So this is the for the heater, electric heater. It's not on, it doesn't have to be, and this is on. I don't know if you can see, but you see the light, and this doesn't have anything. So you see I didn't connect this. For the heating it doesn't need to be electric heater. So that's it. Now I have to put the plates and we're finished. So now it is 9 o'clock, as you can see, and the pump is working, so that's nice. And if you go to settings, let's see, here is everything works, so that's nice. And I have to tune a little the settings, but for now everything works. And if we want to go to so the cup is 4.4, but it is only working for like 20 minutes. So that's it. And here is how I connect the indoor unit. So these are the wiring, so you can pause and connect like this. It works. And you can download the app. That's it. And the current temperature in the room is 24 degrees, so it's nice and hot, as you can see here, 24.2. So the last thing I need to put some place, like, I don't know, here, thermostat, and that's it. So I installed the heat pump, everything is put together and looks like this. And now it's ready to heat up my home. So if you want to do it your home, just follow this video. And then simply what you need to do is to turn it on. So that's it. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video. My next video will be on how efficient is this heat pump, and that's it. So ZZC Dark Out, subscribe and wait for my next video. ZZC Dark Out.